Okay, everybody, good morning. Hope you have a good weekend. This is Louis Sportslino, ManimalMarket.com, and today this is Monday, October 6th, and we're getting in the Halloween mode around here. I have four little grandkids, and my wife has monsters all over the house. They're 5 and 6, so 6 and 5. I guess they're getting older now. But anyway, um, so uh, I thought I'd put this day chart up, and sometimes you just get caught up in everything that we're doing, and some of the basic knowledge that we should keep and always have in the back is these Fibonacci retracements. I like Fibonacci because he's Italian, and it seems that these Fibonacci numbers work, and everybody looks at them. So if we and the problem with them is that arbitrarily you got to look at lows and highs that you think that are significant. Some people have different ideas of that, but I'm going to take this low, which we've been talking about, that was made on 8/8 of August, and then I drew a line up to the top, which is 214.5, and you can see here this is a 23% retracement. All right, from the top. Then this was a 30%, 38.2% retracement, just above right here the July 31st high. The 50% retracement was 90, 1952 half, which kind of coincided with our day pivot. Okay. And then 61%, 61.8 was right here at these bottoms. And you can see we spiked down to the 78.6 just before it. So, we've rallied from that point, and now we're sitting somewhere about a 38% retracement from the top. I think that this market's going to go back and diddle around the 50% mark, the 50 and the 61 before it makes up its mind. There's a lot of short covering on Friday. So I've marked these also on my 5 minute pivot chart so that we keep an eye on them throughout the day, and they're in our daily comments. So thought that we should look at that. That's important things because other people look at it, right? All right. So let's start at the top. So we've got a Globex high up here of 1970 half. Okay. And then the market kind of, if you can see, here's one of those exhaustion shots, and I know it's overnight and volume's low, but these exhaustion candles, where they have very low volume, it's neither up nor down, but they put it in highs and lows, end up being significant. Like here, you can see that we had this, and it was a place that we broke from. Okay, it's gone back and tested it, and it's sitting somewhere right in here. So we're looking at 1967 here. I said the red is our 38.2% retracement. The high on 10-1 was 1997 or 1967 right here. And then we had a high from 731 right here. Here's that high from 731, 1065 half. So we're sitting around those numbers. Um, these are other significant highs, and these are levels from today that we've found support and rallied in here. But we'll put our bull bear zone today at 1963. 1963. This area here, this 1962 and a quarter, is an area where the market found both support and resistance, and it firmed up and rallied from. Okay, and then we'll go into our value area of 1962. Okay, our point of control is way down here, I believe. Our value area low right here of 1963 and a half, and our point of control, where is it? Oh, it's covered up here. 1960, because it's the low of Globex also. It's the low of Globex. So we're currently trading above value by almost 500 points. So looking for some retracement here. I don't think we're out of the woods on the upside yet, but that was a short covering rally from a profile point of view. Um, give you a little idea of profile. All right, so here's the profile right here. This area, I'm looking 1951 to 1945, which would mean what we were talking about, going back to that 50% retracement level on the Fibonacci numbers. So, uh, I say it every day. I give you these points, and we look at it, and um, this morning already we are in a sell. Here's our 5 minute sell. Okay, but we've got a we've got a 15-minute pivot at 1963, so we're gonna have to take that out. And down below we have our 30-minute pivot at 61 and a quarter, 61 and a quarter, and then we got an hourly pivot at 57.75. So those are going to end up becoming targets for us. But right now, the 5 minute has been in a sell, and I think based on the action that we've gotten in Friday, there was a big rally, but on lower volume than on Thursday, which is sometimes a signal to me that the market's ready. Is could resume a sell off today. But now let's go look up here. Um, you know, yeah, it's way up here. Get some single prints and so on, but also I have it's way, way up here. 1985 and a quarter was a 23% retracement from the top. So I think, we've got the volatility back. I think you've got to, you know, take a look at all these different points. I know this chart seems busy, but I put these old highs and the old lows, and I put these things in because they become magnets and targets. And the key to this is to catch a trend and jump on it. So right here, the 67 is going to be important. That's that 38% retracement and the high from 10-1. All right, everyone. Everyone have a good morning, and I will probably do a midday update based on the action today. And good luck trading, and see you then. Bye.